Hello student, I am Chef Dinesh. Today I am demonstrating chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream is a churned frozen dessert using French custard style for making chocolate ice cream. French custard made by using egg, milk and sugar. Let's check the ingredients. For chocolate ice cream, we require 300 gram dark chocolate, 120 ml fresh cream, full fat fresh milk 350 ml, 3 egg yolk, 140 gram cashew sugar, 25 gram cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. First, combine chocolate and fresh cream. And put on double boiler. Keep bowl on double boiler and melt it chocolate and cream together. Turn off it and keep it into side. Take one bowl, add egg yolk, cashew sugar, and cocoa powder. And vanilla. Combine it. Add milk. And just warm it. Make sure do not boil it, just need to warm. Turn off it. Just add some amount of milk into the egg yolk mixture. Mix it. Add some more amount of milk. And then you can pour the mixture into the milk. Now cook the custard on slow flame. Cook until get thick and turn off the heat. Transfer the cooked custard through strainer. Then add custard into the chocolate mix So our chocolate custard is ready. We have to cool down in room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. Then transfer this mixture to the fridge for overnight for aging process. After the aging process, transfer the mixture into the ice cream machine. Churn the ice cream for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of churning, the ice cream is ready. Take out from the ice cream machine. Take out the ice cream from the ice cream pan. Remove it into the plastic container. You can see the consistency of the ice cream. Use plastic wrap to cover the ice cream. Now this ice cream need to keep in the freezer for overnight. Make some chocolate cups for chocolate ice cream. Use cocoa butter. Just thin layer. Let it dry. After dry out, pour some white chocolate in it. Just turn it to spread everywhere. Upside down. Clean it. Just keep in the fridge to set it down. Just take out from the mold. Put it on hot tray, clean the edges. Now drop some chocolate over OHP sheet. Then tap it. Keep this cup. Our chocolate ice cream is nicely done. Just scoop it and pour into the ice cream cups. some chocolate sauce on it. Some almond pistachio. Some sugar sprinkles. And cigarette. Our chocolate ice cream is ready to serve.